Hello. Oh, that's a bit quiet, isn't it? Hello. Yeah, that's the correct mic. How are we all doing? Are we all doing well? That was not the accent I was supposed to come up with. I said all incorrectly and went with it. Welcome. You got Johnny, you got Colour, you got Doge, you got Cider, and there was also, let's see, Plawastaken. Oh goodness, I completely botched that. I do apologise. Yeah, welcome to the stream. Regardless, close that. If we head to the tutorial stream, the camera. There we go. The camera's working. Hello. My hair's a bit of a mess today, but whatever. I couldn't be asked to fix it. Welcome, Jackster, to the stream. You hadn't registered in the chat yet, so I wasn't sure if you were here or not. So if I need to put that on that screen, and that stays on this screen. CD data / program / GL / Carberra / pillow. Yeah, face cam. Oh, hello. There you go. VA and code dot. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to go back to our well, these are some image requests I actually changed up a little bit. I might go back and like fix these, just make them a bit clearer, and then well, I think this one's fine. I just need to test it. And there's obviously the R2 as well, which is adding a filter. I don't remember where. Oh, there was somewhere else, I think. So it's basically the same thing as last stream. So I'm going to test this and make sure this works. Then I'm going to do this one properly. I'm going to get like an actual picture for it. Then we're going to go back to the welcome card thing and see if we can get something going that isn't like awful. But yeah. GG for buffering. Thanks also to all the people that followed me while I wasn't live. For some reason, I swear I get more followers when I'm not live when I am live. By the time I come back after the break I'm taking from streaming, it'll be albeit like 1,000 or something. Right. So let's test if this one actually works. So we got. Is this the cropped and the square one? I can actually just work out as we go along. It's a Python tutorial. Oh. Oh my god, that was so loud. Thank you, Colour Gamer, for the follow. I did not turn the alerts volume down. Ow. Right. My god. Right, okay, let's go. Tutorial R1. Cropping images. There you go, so the cropped one should be his face. Yep. And the square one should be a square. Yep. So now we need to... What I want to do is I actually want to turn around. One time per stream, streak 2. Is it streak 2? I don't think I got scared last stream. Where are my images? Right, I need to do is I need to go and get another image from my images. I need a vertical one. So I go to MISC and I get this one. Bring that on in there. There we go. So vertical fox, I suppose, will do. And then I need to do vertical for X. This one's going to mess up the, actually really it should be, we'll just have it like this, and then we'll do with image.open dot slash images slash vertical fox dot jpg as im. We'll just overwrite im entirely. Then im3 equals squarify im. And then im3 dot save move it over dot slash saved images slash square vertical fox dot jpg. Same thing. Suppose so. And then save that, run that. Oh, hello. Images vertical facts. Are you entirely sure about that? Oh, yeah, you're entirely sure about that. Oops. Welcome, John, to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. Okay, so that just didn't work at all. Okay, so the squarify doesn't work the same this way. Fantastic. You should do. Oh, it's probably coming through the desktop audio, which I just removed. Whoops! How did I do that? I managed to click and drag, accidentally hit the right click button, and then hit left click again in such a place where I hit delete, the exact point where it said delete source. So I need to turn the desktop audio back on then, I think. Which means I need to re-add the source. Oops, I think it's audio input. Name was already in use. Oh, is it now? Where? Probably, actually, I could probably do output capture and add existing. No. Audio output capture, maybe? Add existing. Desktop audio. There we go. So now you should be able to hear them. Well, one of you is John and the other is Johnny. That's how you can tell. I also need to start the bot. I should also say that I am still without a left control key. Sada, if you've already followed once before, Streamlabs won't send another alert. So unfollowing and following won't work. It needs to be someone new, or I can test it myself. But I still don't have a left control key. I might actually be able to show you. 1 second. If I just move that over here. If I bring the keyboard up. See that? Oh god, hang on. If I can get it around everything. Yeah. See that? I'm missing the entire key. So that's making things difficult. But we'll manage. That should be coming in the next few days. I do actually have the key just on its own around here somewhere. Where is it? Where did I put it? Oh, it's under the computer. There's the key. I don't know how well you can see. There we go. I called it Chaos Control because it's free and it's chaotic, and I kind of have it standing as like a mascot there. Oh, got to stand up. There we go. Because the mechanism is still attached to it. You could just stand the thing up, and it will just sit there. Oh, never mind. Yeah, come on. There we go. Okay. I genuinely named that key Chaos Control. So it now has a personality because it's a dick. But yeah, anyway. So why didn't this work? If image height is less than... Oh, because that needs to be greater than. So now it should actually work. Square vertical fox. Yeah, there we go. Now it squarifies it. Okay. Beautiful. So that's cropping done. So I need to like go in and because I save stuff to this. Oops, I save stuff to this branch, so I need to actually like commit the R1. Update R1, but this branch isn't going to get pushed to the repo, so. Also that is something else that I should say on the topic of internet. As you can see in the top corner, we are running on Wi-Fi at the moment. My Ethernet cable, it's just completely gone at this point. So if the Wi-Fi cuts out, because it is less reliable than the Ethernet, if it cuts out, then sorry. I told you, got 25 million. I dare to bet it all. Like all of it. Welcome Unicorn to the stream, by the way. Yeah. I'm getting a new one tomorrow. I'm going down to town. But yeah, for now we're running a Wi-Fi and hoping it holds. Oh, my microphone was not screwed on properly at all. So okay, yeah, that's fine now. So the filter. What I was thinking of doing was adding like a. So I kind of wanted to do like a triggered filter because someone had the idea of that. That's going to involve getting the actual filter. It's also going to involve resizing the image. But it'd be fine. So we don't actually need to pass fill in at all. So we can actually probably remove like pretty much all of this. Triggered im equals add triggered filter to im. We could probably get rid of all these things because we could just regen them if we really want them. We need to keep the actual images, but yeah. It's going green. Eh? That's weird. I'm not dropping frames or anything. I don't know what the idea of that is. Triggered dot save dot slash saved images triggered Ferrari dot JPG. We'll keep using the Ferrari for now. And does anyone know or does anyone have any ideas about what? Because I want to do like a triggered filter where you like resize to fit, and I also want to do something where you like overlay like a transparent filter on top of it. But I don't know what to do for that. So I kind of had the idea of just like overlaying this on top of it to make it like a floral thing, because I couldn't really think of anything else. But if anyone has any better ideas, then do let me know. But this is just going to be something that's just like pasted over the top of it. It's not like flags or anything because we've done that in the color filters. So if I just Google it real quick, it is, if I go to images, it's this. So basically you have this at the bottom of it, and then it just says triggered. So that's kind of a good one to do for like that sort of thing. Alright, seen a bit unicorn. I don't really want to go too far down. I don't trust the searches for that. We'll just do this for now. So im2 equals something im, and then im2.save, and then we'll just do that, and then we'll copy paste. We'll cut these out for now. There we go. If it's live and we're in the stream, yeah. If it's not, then I won't be able to. Yeah, I mean, he's like convinced that I won't raid him. I don't know where he got that idea from, because I'm definitely going to raid him. If I can. But yeah, so it'd be, so I need like the actual, oh, why can't I not spell the word, why can I not spell the word triggered? There we go. So if I just like get the actual image itself, so I could just like grab this, just copy image, load GIMP, and then we can work with something. New, we'll just do 1280 by 720, I think. Just make things easier. Wow, that's bright. Why is that so bright? So we need to do that. Oh, what the hell? That was really odd. Oh, I don't have bloody left control. Oh no, this is gonna go wrong. Oh, I literally use the control key for just about everything in GIMP. Oh no, 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 no. Whoa, hello. Oh, why is it going around the center? Probably because I told it to go around the center, but I don't want it to go around the center. Ah! No control key. Hopefully it's going to come in a few days. I really hope it's going to come in a few days. I mean, they said it would arrive between 4 or 5 days, and ordered it about 3 days ago. I think. Oh, why are you being like this? What does this side look like? Well, that side's kind of... I think we need to like extend that out a bit more. There we go. Just a bit extra, just so it kind of... Definitely sits on the bottom. Okay. And now we need... so we need to get rid of this background. Well, I suppose we don't need to, but... It doesn't need to be there either. Now we need to get the size. Oh, can I? There we go, highlights. Okay, there we go. I also need to turn my phone on silent, which is something that I forgot to do. Trying to get GIMP to your one. Okay, that's fine. Trying to like isolate the size of a particular section of the image. I didn't realize how far I'd zoomed in. Wow. So that goes to there, and that goes to like there, or maybe there, or there. So that is 1280 by 584. Okay. Im equals im.resize. And it doesn't matter what it is, it just gets resized to 1280 by 584. Alright, see you later, color. This lack of left control key is triggering me. Anyway. So if I export as no, it'd be programs, Carberra, it'd be GitHub, Carberra, pillow tutorial, images, there we go. Triggered filter.png. So with with image to open /images /triggered filter. Whoops, it is .jpg as in as fill, and then I'm pretty sure it's just fill equals fill.paste. Is it fill equals fill.paste, or is it just fill? Oh, it's just fill.paste. Okay. So we just want to paste the image on top of the fill, and then we want to return the fill, I'm pretty sure. We'll see how well that works, I suppose. R2. Unknown resampling filter. I missed an argument somewhere. So this was... That's also not what I want. Paste. Mask.crop. Box equals... That should be alright. Unless... I think it actually probably needs to be converted. Fill, because fill.converts RGBA. No, that's still wrong. Oh, it's the resizing. Oh, yeah. Okay, that needs to be in a tuple. No such file or directory. Oh, because it's a PNG. I suppose it doesn't really need to be, but... No such file. Okay, this doesn't exist either. I'm going to turn this group chat on mute, because this is annoying the hell out of me now. Because my watch is just going like nuts over here. Mute for an... So you can't just mute for a specific amount of time. It's either mute for 15 minutes, mute for an hour, or mute for 8. I want to mute it for 3. Whatever. I'll just put it for 1 and see if it calms down by then. I'm actually getting triggered by Messenger. So... Why is it not finding that still? Did I spell it wrong? Trigger ed space filter. Oh, that's a capital I. As much as I do love Fear of Sands, it is kind of difficult sometimes. No such file or directory. I'm telling you to save it. I'm not telling you to open the damn thing. What the hell? That should just be fine. You're saved. Oh, because it's a dash. Cannot write RGBA as JPG. Well, okay. Okay, there we go. There we go. That actually kind of works. That was quite good, actually. Hang on, let me go back up. I'm actually happy with that. That actually looks good. Ferrari looks even worse. Oh my god. Honestly, that Ferrari never fails to make me laugh. That screenshot is probably the funniest screenshot I've ever taken in a game. But it actually looks good. Apart from this bit down, it's like a line. So maybe I need to, I need to make it, I need to make it 1 taller, I think, 585. Now that should, okay, that one's gone away now. Look at that. It actually looks good. I'm astonished. That actually looks way better than I thought it would. Can I, instead of getting the Ferrari, can I get the vertical fox? I want to see how much of a meme this looks. This is going to look awful. It's just stretched beyond belief. I love it. Right, we'll have it as the Ferrari though, because I think the Ferrari actually looks quite good. Like this screenshot coupled with the triggered thing, I think that looks kind of funny. So we're gonna leave it as that for the R2. Okay, so git commit. Actually, no, we're not done with R2 yet, are we? Because we need to do our translucent filter. So I'm just gonna do the floral thing. Floral filter. Be add floral filter. So with this one, the image stays the same, but with image.open /images/ be floral filter .png. Was it pung? No, it's jpg as fill. I is our artist. Fill. So we need to. Do we need to convert it? We probably don't. I don't know. I don't think we need to convert this one. Actually, I think we do because we're converting the other one. RGBA. And then we got filled up set alpha 127, and then fill dot be im dot alpha composite fill, and then return im, and that should work. Oh, no, that's not what we do at all. So we set that to that, and now we set that to that, and then we do add floral filter, and then we set it to saved images / floral Ferrari.png. Oh, we didn't save it. That'll probably be a good start. Oh. It's not Fitler, it's filter. Ah! Did that so much in the series, I feel. Set alpha. Oh, was it put alpha? It might be put alpha. Wow, that took a long time. Okay, there we go. Okay, the floral. Okay, we need to turn the alpha down. Need to turn it to like 80. Okay, that works. It kind of looks weirdly like a border. Yeah, it looks fine. I think so. We now have our floral Ferrari and our triggered for. Oh, it's done the. It's done the floral one. Oh no. How did that happen? Wait, how did that happen actually? That's a very good point. It shouldn't have done that. Oh, because it's done the alpha composite on the oh, right. Can we just do im equals, or do we have to do an im.copy? None type was no attribute, so yeah, we've got to do an im.copy. Okay. So so im2 equals im.copy. And then im2.alpha composite, and that will separate it out, and then it will get the floor for. We won't get either. Oh, because we need to output m2. You have the floor Ferrari and the triggered one, and they're separate. Hey, there we go. So that is our code for that episode. So git commit tutorial -r2 update R2. Okay, cool. Where are there problems? I don't know where the problem is. Syntax error. Non-default arguments. Jedi. Oh, it's now trying to... Yeah, MyPy is a bit of a bug at the moment. I don't know what's causing it, but it has a bug where it starts like checking the built-ins. And it appears to be trying to check the PYI files. Which, this is fine. Like, as a PYI file, this is okay. But it's checking it as a built-in, and I don't know why, and it's annoying. I don't know how to get it to stop. Is it MyPy or is it Pilot? Well, no, it's checking with Jedi. You what? Oh no, wait, what? VS Code extensions, lib Jedi. Oh yeah, it's... Oh, it's not MyPy at all. Well, in that case, I'll just install MyPy and use that then. Pip install MIPI. It's already installed. Okay, well now in that case we just set the linter. Linter to... It's not even an option here. Where did you get Jedi from? So why the hell is it still complaining? Where's this Jedi... And then it's doing it again in the built-ins. Huh, why... What is Jedi and why is it doing this? Jedi Python. Is it something that was installed? It's a static analysis tool. Jedi's a focus on order completion go-to function. Okay, can I just uninstall it then? Because I'm presumably installed alongside something. Oops. Pip show Jedi. What? Okay. You want to explain yourself, Python? Or VS Code even, maybe. Or maybe it's not installed through pip, maybe it's installed through something else. It's something like... But there isn't any VS Code settings. Oh no, there is. MyPy enabled equals true, enabled equals true. Okay, well VS Code is just being weird then. It's the Python interpreter. Why in the world is it throwing issues with legitimate things? X++, oh my goodness. It's installed with VSC. It's never caused issues before. Okay, if I restart VSC, will that work? Will that stop the errors from happening? Because they're very annoying. Seemingly so. Okay. That's good. I'm going to turn the brightness on more. The sun is big, bright. Yeah, that should do. It's an anti-glare screen, which is nice, but it's not like an anti-shine. So like the screen goes like kind of it. I don't really know how to describe it. I mean, the tablet is reflective as all hell, which is why I have so many issues with the chat. But like my laptop screen is anti-glare and kind of anti-shine. This monitor's kind of only really anti-glare, so you kind of get like the light patches where the light is, and it causes not as many issues, but it does cause issues. So that's R1 and R2 done. Like actually done. So if you head over to plans.carberra.xyz. Yeah. I think you can still file requests for this series for another 19 weeks. So where were we? It's image cropping, yes. Image filters, yes. Okay. So there's a Discord bot level card and a Discord bot welcome card. We've got to go back and do that. Oh, I really don't want to. You know, I really don't want to go back and do that. But here we are. So image, oops. Okay, so Discord welcome dot py. And then we've got to go back and loads the thing, thing. Data, programs, Carberra plans, pillow. No, it would be pillow case studies. Presumably this, yeah. Okay, so st dot. That did not work as anticipated. Hello. Oh, because is it? No, it's not actually showing the slide bar. Oh, that worked. Okay. So I need this on the slide. So essentially, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have it. I'm kind of gonna almost start again, but not quite, because the last series code is a complete and utter mess. So we're gonna like try and plan some stuff beforehand. So we need our IO library, and we need from pathlib import path. And what I might do is I might do a actually no, because this is a case study. What I want to do case studies. So you go in here. That's C1 really. So you have the welcome. Well, this needs to be a folder. Okay, whatever. We're just gonna remove this. So new folder C1 Discord's welcome, and then we're gonna have C2 Discord rank, and in here we're gonna have a bot.py, which is going to take our import IO, and then we're also going to have yeah, Carberra is it's quite the complicated setup. It's done. I mean, the Carberra V2 is going to be even more different. So we're going to try and like make things a little bit better. It's still going to be pretty confusing, but hopefully it'll be marginally less confusing. And from pathlib import path. So from here we need to import Discord from discords.ext import command. Oops, import commands, and then from pill import image. Image draw, image filter, and image font. I don't know if you can hear that. How's Obia? Oh, you could definitely hear that. What is that? Oh my god, they're cleaning. Alright, the stream might have to stop. It depends how annoying this noise is. Because they are currently dredging the sewer directly outside my window. There is a van there and everything. So they're not going away fast. In Carberra V2 we are going to have instructions on how to set it up. Yeah, it's a bit more of just a thingy. I would show you outside my window, but I don't really want to dox myself. But yeah, there is a dredger out there, an actual van, with a dredging thing, currently blasting the sewer. So that's what they were doing earlier, because they were doing one before the stream started. I could hear it. They must have been doing one further away. No, I'm not going to dox myself. I don't want to. But yeah, it's an interesting one. Plus, they are literally right there. I don't particularly want to see them. I don't want them to see me point a camera at them. I've already said I'm not doing it. You can stop asking, please. Asking more and more isn't going to change anything. So we're going to do bot equals commands dot boot. Command prefix equals. We're going to get fancy with the prefix. We're going to call it that. And what do you mean? Looks like I've never seen a van. What are you talking about? If people are fine with the noise, I'll keep going. But if it's annoying people, because I don't think it's going to end soon. No, chat's fine. So with open. Alright, that's a lot louder now. Oh, okay, it might have ended. It'll probably come back, but that got loud. Where is my token? It's here. So I want to copy paste that file somewhere else. That's gone badly. Oh, no, it hasn't. So I want to go into my files. Actually, it'll probably be easier to go just do it through the terminal. CP CP data / program / token, and then put it into programs, GitHub, Carberra, tutorials. Nope, that's the wrong one. Pillow tutorials, case studies, and then C1. Yeah. Hey, there we go. Okay. And then I've also got to put that in the git ignore too, actually. And hopefully it actually works. Okay, cool. That does get rid of it. So with open token mode equals R, encoding equals UTF-8 as F. Token equals f.read. Yeah, in the construction above apartment. Oh goodness, that's fun times. And then we can do bot.run token reconnects equals true. And I want to do it with cogs. So we'll have a cogs equals how's it done in Carberra? I actually don't remember. So if you load that, we load the Carberra. Do Carberra bot. Where? Okay, it's here. P.stem. Okay, it's fine. So B dot / cogs. I'm pretty sure, because we're going to be running it from this. Actually, I should probably case studies C1. We're going to be running it from here. No, I'm going to just change this to launcher.py, I think, just to make things a bit more consistent. So yeah, cogs equals for cog in cogs. How does it actually go on this? So that's the setup. Okay. For cogs in cogs, bot.load extension. It should be cogs dot and then the cog in theory. I hope. Guess we'll see. Yeah, I guess we'll find out. Thank you, Lava379 for the follow. I do appreciate it. Welcome to the stream, by the way. Hope you're doing okay. I'll just print cog ready. Oh, well, we'll just print out. That's just a debug message. So Python launcher.py. No module name Discord. Oh, because we don't have it installed. I don't think. No, we genuinely don't. Okay. Okay. Now we can launch it, and it should just kind of function. I also have no idea what token is attached to. I'm pretty sure it's attached to the tutorial bot, but I am just going to make sure. Real gosh darn quick. It would appear to be. Okay, that's good. So in cogs we have welcome.py. Import discords from discord.ext import commands class welcome commands.cog. Oh, thanks VS Code, do appreciate that. Def init self bot equals bot, and then def setup self bot, and then bot.add cog welcome bot. Cool, right. What a complicated system. So control KS saves them all, right? No, control KS saves them all. No, that brings up the keyboard shortcuts. Control KS. Why aren't you saving this file? Hello? Lock and ready. Okay, launch the cog. Sweet. So now we can just use the cog for stuff. Hey! Beautiful. So get rid of that, and then we have actually need, because we're doing it down here, is it bot.event like that? Thanks, VS Code, do appreciate it. Be async def on ready self. No, it's not self at all. And then print bot ready, and then we'll just leave it like that. Screw it. Can't be asked to do anything more than that. Missing one positional argument, Coro. Okay, so I'm presuming it's just like that then. Hey. Okay, so we got a bot going. Real simple stuff there. So it'd be, if I take launcher.py, it's a copy. Okay, if I'm gonna do it in terminal. Oh, it's gonna break. Programs / GitHub / Carberra / pillow tutorial. I'll do the VA. Is it LS? That would be case studies. Case studies, there we go. So CP C1 launcher, and then C1 dot token into C2. Okay, cool. And we might as well actually just copy the cog as well. Cogs into C2. Alright, because we've got to do recursive. Okay, cool. Welcome Deneve into the stream. Hope you're doing okay. Can you look into my camera for a second? Is it done for? That's fine. There you go, that was a second. Doing image manipulation stuff. So you may have been here for the last one, I'm not sure. We're just kind of setting up a new, just like boilerplate code for it. So this is kind of just what we got here. It's a little bit messy, but it works. So who really cares? And then in our cogs here, this actually needs to be our rank cog. Oh, pi, we need to get rid of this pi cache as well. More than likely. And then we need to control the rank commands.cog. So this just gives us a better place to put everything rather than just everything in a mess. Yeah, we just finished doing. So we just finished doing it was more finishing off this because I've done most of it already. This is request number 1, and this is request number 2. So we did kind of pretty much all of this. So we did both of those. And now we're doing the case studies. So the case studies is what we were doing before, last time you were here. And yeah, it's just awful. Made yourself a meme now. When am I not a meme? I'm pretty sure I made myself a meme last time as well. Because, who was it that put together that recruitment meme? I don't remember who that was, but whoever that was, big GGs. So okay, so in a welcome to bot, we're gonna have it'll be cog, it'll be commands.cog.listener. Async def on member join self member, and then we're going to pass, and then we're going to have our our welcome test command here like we did before. I'm actually going to put commands.is owner. So on member join, no, that's not what we want. We want command welcome. Yeah, we want that. Oh, we just kind of want like welcome test. Actually, this needs to be a discord.member, doesn't it? And this, actually no, because we're not bothering with any of that. We're not going to bother once you type hints. Hey Emily, how you doing? That's fair. So now we get up the old code and remember what we did. So we had so member equals ctx.author. So that gives us our interface to work with it. Do with image.open /images/ oh, hang on a second, we might need we're gonna need images here. Oh, I'm gonna need to change the get ignore entirely. High level multitasking. We can go with that. We can. I can live with that. And then welcome.jpg. So I was actually gonna say, I did say that I was actually gonna make my own one. So whoops, we'll go and do that quickly right now. Not edit. What? Why? GIMP is the one I wanted. And what we're going to do is we're going to have one that is... Well, what was the resolution of the other one that we had? Because we had a different one. And I want to know what resolution it was. It was this welcome card, I think. No, it's this one. So Sublime will show it, but okay, open containing folder, properties, image, 1280 by 549. Was what we got to. But I'm thinking I might do it differently. Sleep during lecture. Alright, see you later. Thanks for stopping by. It's a 549. Whoa, hello. Oh, that's not what I wanted. That doesn't do anything. So, in terms of images, what I could do is I could have my... So I do kind of want like an image there. So, one idea I had was to have, say, if I just like make the thing, pretty much. So do I have the gradient colors? I do. That's lucky. So I'll just make the gradient real quick and we decide if we want it later. This to be 0 on 0, and then this needs to be 1280 by 549. Bamboosh. So I had the idea of having like the icon, say, let's just have like the icon there for now. Fix one by one. So having the icon like down here somewhere. So maybe just like fill that with white for now. So to kind of just like a redo of what I had done. So oh god, that's way too big. So that's 20. That's 30. That's 32. So that's as long as it can be. And then having, so you have like the welcome, and then I guess this one would be like a separate one. And it would, so essentially, what I want to try and do is try and like combine Cider's previous idea with one of my own. So in the case that it's too long, which as you can see it is, if there is a space somewhere in the name, then it will find that to say, I don't know, a really long name. This isn't it? To say this, so it'll go say here, for example, and it will take away the space and it will put it on a new line. So I need space really to have a new line, without it looking crap. Or if there like isn't a space, it's like a really long name. This isn't it now. There we go. Then it will say go to like here, and it will just truncate it like that. The thing is, there's this quite big gap here. Yeah, well, I was really committed to that other idea that I had last time, and I've decided that I don't care enough to execute it, so I'm just going to do yours with a combination of this one. But what I might actually do is I might have the icon like resized differently, depending. So I'm going to do the gradient. Right, so this gradient is kind of wrong slightly, I think. Is this even the right purple? I don't even know. I'm not sure that's the right purple. Let me get my... So I have a thing here that allows me to like grab the colors if I ever lose them. So it'd be this, then it'd be this. No, it'd be renders, then it'd be... No, it wouldn't. It'd be... God, where is it? It'd be project, it'd be art demos, then the demo sheet.png. So I can just kind of grab the colors out of this if I really am needing them. Where the hell is the color picker? There it is. No, it was the right purple. Okay, it just didn't look like it. Oops, that's the wrong tool. It's G I want. And that's also, I need Control Shift A. I've got to use Control for everything and I don't have it right now. No, we'll just leave the gradient the same. It doesn't matter that much. So if you put this, put a tutorial, case studies, C1, images, and then we have a... Do we really want a separate bot for each one? I don't think we do. Okay, what I'll do, welcome card.png. What I'll do is I'll just like convert it into one bot. I'll just have like this huge case studies thing. So I have case studies, and then we'll have a new folder in here for Discord just in case I do some other stuff. But dudes are gonna move. So we've got so move C1, C1, and then everything into Discord. Cannot stat C1. Oh, I've done that wrong. I moved the launcher. But I need to do this. No matches found. Alright. Well, I'm going to move this off just to... I was trying to do it list just in case it decided it wanted to show the token on me, but we'll just do this like this. Oh, you're being a pain. This thing is being annoying. Is what's going on right now. Okay, so now there should be nothing in there. Okay. So now I have a case studies Discord. Welcome back, Jax. We've actually done quite a bit, which ain't too bad at all. We're currently, oh, that's a PNG, so that actually just needs to be a PNG. We need to im equals im.convert to RGBA. But we have a plan about how we're going to do the welcome card now. And it's going to use the knowledge from the last stream and the ideas from the last stream. And it's just going to kind of merge them all into hopefully something a bit cleaner. So basically I need to add this back and then... Okay, so the text size is it is 100, right? Yeah. Oh, we need to do fonts as well, don't we? New folder, fonts. Sure, we'll just leave it at that. Screw it. We're not really trying too hard to be good here at all. Can't just move them. That's really annoying. Open in folder. Find. No, I want to open the containing folder. There we go. Those all went in the wrong folder. Are you serious? Go in there. Right. There is the chat rules, so don't forget about those. No Discord links. I'm done with them. They're just annoying. What am I trying to look at? I've completely forgotten what I'm doing. Oh yeah, I need to load the bot back up. So we had... Okay, so yeah, we have the back. to back equals back.convert, and then no, chat rules very much say you can't, unless there's a typo. There's a good chance there's a typo potentially. But if you go to docs.carberra.xyz, head over to the Twitch chat guidelines. Number 6, do not ask me to check the Discord server. If you can, send a link to the thing you want to show me in the chat. Otherwise, I'll look at it afterwards. So do not send. So you can send me links all you want, but do not ask me to check the Discord server. This includes sending me links to check the Discord server. So this overrules this. So if it's an image, then feel free to send an imgur link. But I'm not checking the Discord server because it's just really annoying. So we'll load the profile up later, but I will actually, I'll put the code in, but we'll do other stuff. Bytes.io await member.avatar URL .read. Oops, .read. And then there we go. As profile, or as prof, we'll just call it. And then prof equals prof dot resize, and then width and height, and we'll set those later. Okay, so you can send links in the chat, but you cannot ask me to check the Discord server. So if the link happens to go to the Discord server, then that counts as asking me to check the Discord server. Therefore, it's nah. Prof and then the box equals, and then we'll work that out. You can use like imgur or something if you want to. I just kind of stamped out the Discord server completely because I was getting so many requests to just go back and forth constantly to check the Discord server. And it was just annoying, so I just said no. Okay, so attachments would be fine then. Yeah, if it's a Discord attachment, because it loads in the browser, so that much should be fine because it's an image. So if we do that, it will load in the browser. Oh my god, why have you done this? Maybe I should outlaw just images entirely. Actually, do you want? Hang on, I'll give you the material to do it like hardcore. I like the really low quality version of it, so we're gonna keep that. But if I just do like there you go. That should be okay. I don't know if the facial expression is funny, but you should be able to have the material to at least have like the hand in the right place. Now. Can I redo it? I don't really remember what my expression was before. I think it was like a... Yeah, that's probably terrible, but we'll go with it. So back page, okay, that's fine. But we want to do the text first. So the text, okay, so we want to do welcome text equals welcome, and we want to do name text equals so we want the member dot and name. We don't care about display name because I won't have had a chance to take it there. It's your computer freeze. Are you both having like yes, I'll just scrape my face off and send it to you in the mail. Then you can do whatever you want. So we're actually going to do the font. So we're going to get the font object going. Image font. That was, you know, the harvest of flashbacks right there. Dot slash fonts slash Ferus Sans dash regular dot ttf. Then it would be 100. So so we're gonna see if we can do it without the B box because we don't need to worry about that. In theory, you might need to do like a text wrap on this. We'll see. Actually, if I just do... Oops, that's the wrong one. I just did Control Shift. That's not going to do anything. So... If I do like a list, that might be easier. Text equals, and then a welcome... And like that. Actually, we don't really need that. And we'll sort out text wrapping in a second. But so for... Oh yeah, we got to shorten a damn text layer, haven't we? So text layer... Oops, it is. Equals image.new RGBA and then background.size 0 and then draw equals image dot draw. There we go. Oh no, it's image draw. Hey! That was a weird sound. Don't really know where that came from. And then text layer. Nice. So I'll do draw.text. And then the width would be like, we'll just put it 0, 0 for now. It would be actually 4t in text. T should be 4 I T in enumerate text. T font equals font. Fill equals 255. You can do 0 plus it's gotta take like the size. We're just gonna have this. We're gonna have all our stuff up here. So we're gonna set the text, we're gonna set the size, and we're gonna set the font all up here. Then all the image manipulation stuff we only do once the file is actually loaded. So we have size times I plus 1. Oh no, we don't. We want size times I. And then there are either too many brackets or too few. There's too many. Oh no, wait, there are too few. That goes there. That goes to that one. That goes to that one, and then we're missing one. Oh no, yeah, that's fine. There's too many. So yeah, that should actually be fine, like that. So with io.bytes io as output, Well, if I gotta like shove it on somewhere, I might have to. Oh no, I need to like paste it on. Do I need to paste it on? In theory, I don't. No, I think I do. So it'd be back.alpha composite text layer. And then back.save to the output format equals PNG. Oops. Okay. Meme like never before. Favorite Monty Python film? Genuinely never seen one. I've seen the last 15 minutes of Life of Brian. So I'm going to say Life of Brian. And output.seek. So just send ourselves to the start. And then await bot.get. Self.bot.get channel. And then it's this. Ah, no. Why have you done this? Yeah, I've heard a lot of good things about them. I need to watch them at some point. .send. File equals discord.file. FP equals output. And then file name equals welcome. .png. And that now should... We've got too many things down here. It's not PEP8 compliant at all. There you go. Whoa! Hello. Oh, because the thing doesn't exist. There we go. As a CD Discord. Yeah, it's a Python. Launcher.py. Bot ready. Yay. So now we need to go here. This is probably going to look like crap. But can't look any worse than that. So, PW test. Image font is not defined. What do you mean it's not defined? I literally imported the thing. No, I didn't. I didn't import any of that stuff. Why? Because it was all imported here. That's why. Do we need commands at all? We do need commands. Do we need path? We do need path. Do we need IO? No. Okay. Whoopsies. So we need Control V and then import IO and then Control KI. That'll fix our imports and then save, go. And a PW W test. Damn it. Background is not defined. I have misnamed it somewhere. I think probably... Oh yeah, I misnamed it here. So I'll call it back. PW test. Well, it created the image. Okay. Well, that didn't work. Gonna try this. And it worked either. So the text isn't getting drawn by the looks of things. Okay then. How very interesting. Cat token. Yeah, Python was named after Monty Python. Which means it's almost sacrilege that I haven't really seen it, but whatever. So why isn't it drawing? Have I missed something that I did here? Oh, they're going dredging some other drain now. You probably won't be able to hear that one. Sneck was named after the comedy group. I just called it Sneck because of the meme. I called it that after the, well, not the meme, but like, you know what I mean. Why won't you do the thing? What is causing you to be like this? Oh, probably this. 255, 255, 255. PW test. That was exactly it. Okay. Oh, the gap isn't. Oh god, the gap is different. Okay. That's annoying. Size plus 5. We're gonna get like a better offset here. Whoops. PW. Oops. W test. It's a bit better. So this is quite like a gap in it. Why is it always so different? Let's have a look at this. Let's have a look at this thonker. Oh my god. That is terrible. I love it. That's definitely becoming a Twitch emote. 100%. So that means it will go in the Discord server automatically. At least I think. I don't know if only certain people will be able to use it. But I mean, yeah, the thing looks good. I like the low quality aspect of it. I like that it's like a terrible resolution. I think that just adds to the effect, personally. So I'm happy with that. I mean, I know you can help that, but I think it personally just adds to it. Yeah, it'll be added to a Twitch one, and it will go into the Discord automatically after I do that. Because they're all synced up. Okay, 10 will do. I think 10 will be fine. Screenshot 1080. Yeah, but the resolution of the camera is only like 330 by 160. Which is why it sorry, 330 by 180. So this is basically a 180p image. What is it? Is it oh, I can't get inspect. Okay, that's not what I wanted. Whatever. Yeah, for now. Unicorn, send that to me in a DM, and I will just so I don't forget it. So yeah, that looks fine now. So now we move it over a bit. So how far do we want to move it over? I guess like maybe 20. And then maybe 20 down as well. Whoops. Oh, there's so many things open. Okay, I'm going to say like 50 and then 50 down. Oops. PW test. That's a bit much actually. Maybe 25 and 25. We can always adjust this later, but PW test. I kind of prefer 50-50. In honesty, I'm also going to call this W because having just type in W test every time is getting real annoying. Okay, so we have 50 and 50, and we have our offset down. I'm going to move these all separate lines just so it's easier to kind of see what's going on. and then fill, and then bam, bam. So, yeah, so now we have our image, but we need to do, so we need to import text wrap. Is text wrap a default? It is, okay, cool. So now we have text wrap, and then it should just be like this. And then I think we need to like provide something. God, there's so much open. I'm gonna move this to this screen, and move. No, I'm gonna move GIMP to a second monitor. No, actually, really need to move it to a third one, and then swap these two around. There we go. That was other stuff I was doing, and then move Sublime needs to stay. No, this Sublime can go to here. I'll just clean up my desktop because it is an absolute nightmare in here, and that needs to go to there. Okay, that should be fine. So I was working on an Analytics v2 rewrite yesterday, and I want to keep some of the resources I was using open. So yeah, now we have text wrap. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. We're going to look up text wrap. So Python text wrap. So fill, shorten. The wraps a single paragraph in text where it has a single string containing the wrapped paragraph. Fill is shorthand for join. Okay. Not shorten. Collapse and truncate the given text to the given width. Oh, well, you can just do that. That's actually kind of cool. So we want so yeah, we want so this one we want actually we want to I'm upset. We'll come back to that. If member.name.contains, is that a thing? That's not needed. That's not needed. If space in member.name, then we do pass else. We do text wrap dot shorten member.name. Actually, we need to username equals text wrap dot shorten name, and then width is what, 20 potentially. We'll see. We'll experiment with that number. And username equals text wrap dot wrap would be fill. Member.name and then 20. So it should, in theory, just do stuff. And then we want... okay, we'll just leave it like that for now. So that should, in theory, have literally no difference on what it's doing right now. Never mind. So username equals... Oh, right, I see. So it needs to be a list. Or it needs to be a tuple of whatever is in here. And then this needs to be a tuple of the short one, and then bam, like that. Alright, yeah. And then hope that kind of works. I don't know. Yeah, I don't think it was going to work. Fine, we'll do it in a list. Screw you. Okay. That works for that. And if it's a... I'm pretty sure I could just do member.name and just override this. Equals blah, blah, blah. Actually, it needs to be whatever. It doesn't matter. I'm pretty sure there's literally like no protections on any objects. Oh no, there is protections on some. There's no protections on the context, but there is on the member. That's very annoying. Okay. Member name. Yeah, we'll just leave that, and then we'll just have like just name for now. So if space in name, and I'll clean this up a bit later. But for now, I just want to see if this system actually works. Ooh. Because I need to do a placeholder equals ... P exclamation W. Oh, because it does it by space. If there's no spaces in it, it's not going to work. Oh. Quarks says... What's a quarks? Collapsed, and then the result... Otherwise, enough words are dropped from the end. So the remaining words plus the placeholder fit within width. That's quite good if you're not doing what I'm doing. I just want to be a bit fancy. I can make this so much easier on myself, but okay. We'll just add spaces for now, and we'll test the other one. And then we'll come back to that one, because we're not going to be able to use that text thing to shorten. So this should... No, why are you like this? Oh, because textwrap.fill is... Oh, right. That'll be what's causing that. So this, yeah, this is gonna have to be something different. Place. I'll just have a placeholder for now. Hey, there we go. So theoretically, there should be nothing above 32 characters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2. So this would go. Because there would never be anything above 32 characters. And then it ends up on 2 lines. Cool. So that works. Oops. Dot split. And username, the last one, we give an exclamation mark to. And then just make sure it actually adds that properly. Okay. Cool. So now we're going to want to do this. So actually, is 20 a good fit? We could probably get a few more in there. We'll actually test with this. So username equals name dot up to 20. Can I just like shorten it? Okay. Name 2 equals okay. Truncated equals name 20. So we do our truncated name there, plus ... if name does not equal trunk else empty. And then plus an exclamation mark, I suppose. That's just rough. But it works. Format strings would be better there, but that format strings are just going to make this thing look ugly. We can try it. We can see. So trunk, and then we need an exclamation mark there. If name does not equal trunk else that doesn't look too terrible, and it's faster. So we'll go with it. And then we will set up our thing. See, I'm kind of doing this as though I'm like actually creating one for the server, which to be honest, I'm not really sure if I'm even doing that. Like, I feel as though I kind of am. So if we keep it at 32, so ty for 32. Actually, what we can do is we can do A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. That's 26. So we can, it will shorten it to 20, so we can see if that will actually work. How good our shortening is. Okay. Amazing. Yeah, I forgot to add the trailing comma back. 20 works. Look at that. 20 actually works okay. I'm quite happy with that, actually. Okay. So we're gonna create some constants here. So text width equals 20. Font size equals 100. No. Text width. Time and size here. We're going to have a font size there and font size there. Okay. So that's the text done. Now we need to do the images. So, if if len of username double equals 1, so if it's exactly 1, oops, that's not right. If len of username is 1, then we want to do w equals, or wh equals whatever and whatever. Just put that there for now. And x and y equals something different. We'll just do it differently for now. Else, so if it's length of 2, then I hope that it never wants to go down to the third line. Then w h equals less than that, and the x and y is like lower down the image. This is going to put it in completely the wrong place. But with any luck, it should be fine. With any luck, it will actually like scale somewhat reasonably. So it's going to be completely the wrong place, completely the wrong size. Okay. Oh, we need to circularize it. So we need one of our tutorials. We need to make it... yeah, we need to make this thing circular. So we need to do control paste, make circular. I'm pretty sure that's just fine. It's always a square, so we don't need the offset actually. Yeah, we don't need to crop by this offset because it's always a square, I'm pretty sure. No. If we do paste, we do make self.make circular proof. Then at least it would be circular. Interesting icon it's got there. Oh, hello. Make circular takes one position argument, but two we're given. That is correct. Oh, I don't want to go around like installing things. Image op. I need image ops. Image ops. So I tried using different themes. I just ended up getting lost because I'm so used to Monachi that I've become extraordinarily reliant on the colours of Monachi. To the point where anything else just confuses the hell out of me. Okay, so that makes it circular. So you can make the thing bigger. So if length of username is 1, so we need the width to be, where does the width go? So it'd be, we need to actually work out what the width is gonna, or what the height is gonna be. Because the width is actually 50, and it's always gonna be 50. I'll try it after I've done this little bit. So we have, so 50, the height will be, so it's a 50 offset from the top. The font size is 100. So we're adding 150, 170. So if we're putting another 50 in there, actually in theory it should be, we need to like work out the size. Oh, what the hell? Oh, that's weird. Oh, because it's alpha composite. Okay, we'll just do that quickly to... Alpha composite got unexpected keyword argument box. God damn it, man. So that's putting the alpha on it. So let's put alpha. Go away. Why are you being weird? So we didn't need to... So adding masks, if I go back in here real quick. So we have the circular image, it makes it... So returning the out. And then, I guess we get rid of the box and then see what happens, I suppose. So I don't know how to move it if it's like this. So presumably we could just go in the top corner. and it will be squished. Why? Oh, that's why. Wait, at least, okay, so that works at least. But now we need to, God's sake. Check the mod chat. Alright. I mean, the mod chat, sure I can work with it, but if it's just memes or just general discussion. Well, you're not even in there. Why are you checking me to, why are you telling me to check it? I know what they're talking about in there. If there is an actual emergency, a mod will come and tell me. Otherwise, don't ask me to check it. Pillow. Actually, I need to move this over here, don't I? I don't know how many times I need to say, don't ask me to check the Discord server. Even though I am in the Discord server, so I can't really hold myself to that too much, I suppose. But, like, just don't ask me to check it, alright? Is my point. The pillow alpha composite. There's got to be something. Alpha composite. M1 and M2. Oh, we got to paste it somewhere. Okay. So, right. So we need to create a new layer. Prof layer equals have I done the text one? Okay, image.new RGBA back.size 0. Prof layer. Well, if there is like an actual emergency and needs my attention, then the mods can tell me. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna do prof.make circular self.make circular proof, and then actually we kind of want to do that last. Trov. And then we will do prof layer dot paste. Is this gonna work? I really don't know. I just come to think of it, I don't actually think it's going to, but whatever, it's fine. Actually, can't we do paste with a mod? No, you just paste with a box. And then you put the alpha later. Well then, that's annoying. Okay, so we're gonna have to do some fancy stuff in here. Prof layer equals self dot make circular prof, and then yeah, we put that in there. Okay. $420, nice. So image on new L, and then m dot put alpha, yeah. out.put alpha mask, and then okay, so we need to draw an ellipse, and then we need to do prof layer equals image.new RGBA im.size. Oh crap. Oh, that's not gonna bloody work. Okay, we're just gonna have to move all this logic out of this function into the actual thing itself. Which is far from ideal, but whatever. Okay. So we need to do we need a mask that is prof.size. Need to draw an ellipse, so we need the prof.layer. So we need this on prof layer mask.size. Centering 0.5, 0.5. No, we don't. We need to do out equals image. God. Are you drunk, John? Okay. So we have our thing. We make it circular, and we have our mask. I don't think we need this. I think we need okay, so we need draw equals image draw dot draw back. Which is this one we did? Oh no, it's a text layer. We need the prof layer. We need the prof layer. So draw dot no, it'd be prof layer dot paste prof box equals WH. Do we need 4 elements? No, we don't. Okay. No, the box is X and Y. And put alpha mask. Prof layer, and then back. Okay. And then we'll just do them both here, I think. Alpha composite, prof layer. Okay, that in theory should work, I think. I don't know. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. Who the hell knows? No, it didn't. Im is not defined. So that's not the... Oh yeah, be prof.size. This also needs to be prof.size. If this works, we'll clean this up a bit. Well then. No. I could, in theory, program something, but I can't be asked to, because it would involve like creating a whole like Pygame application that sits on the top of everything, and I really don't want to. I did the intro scene the way that I did, and I did the alerts the way that I did, so that didn't have to happen. So the answer to your question simply is no. So it returns a circle, but it just returns a black circle. So okay, so prof.resize, so we resized it. Then we create a mask, we draw a mask, and then we draw an ellipse onto it. We fill that with 255. So that's the bit we want to keep. Prof layer equals image.new prof layer.size. Oh, it might be that we want. No man, I didn't fix anything. No, we do want that there anyway. So draw image.draw, yeah. Prof layer.paste the prof. Do we want the mask? So we want. Let's see. We want. Oh, we want the mask on there. So alpha.paste. Okay, so this one is. We should put alpha. I think what we want to do is we want to do an alpha layer. Alpha layer. So alpha because image.new. We don't need that, do we? Because we have. Because in theory. I think we could just do prof. See, prof layer.put alpha mask should work in that case. Maybe we don't need that at all. Maybe we could just do prof. Dot put alpha mask, and it will be easier. Maybe I'm trying to overcomplicate it. Prof layer is not defined. Oh yeah, goodness. So we could probably just shove the prof on there directly in that case. Prof layer. Why is it still finding prof layer? Hello? Oh, I didn't save it. Okay, there we go. I was just overcomplicating it. Right. I see. It's going. It's weird. Whatever. It's fine. So the width. So the height. On it, the x needs to be 50, not the width, and the y needs to be like. I think it was like 220. And then the width can be like 150, and we'll just see how that works, I suppose. We could probably do the maths, but ain't nobody got time for that. Oh my god, why are you doing this to me? But I just kind of want to see if it works. Oh, it's not moving it. Oh god. It's refusing to move it. Oh, maybe because I haven't actually done anything. Yes, that's actually a very good point. So put alpha. And we need the alpha component. Oh, it does need the bloody. Because we need to be able to move it. Why does it have to be so bloody difficult? Okay, whatever. I think we can now like create the prof layer. Equals image.new RGBA. And then prof dot, no, we want back dot size 0. Then we want to do prof layer dot paste prof box equals xy, and hope we're not just back to square one. I don't think we will be. Whoops, it's not ready yet. Okay, so that's not even moving it now. Oh, this will probably be why. Oh, that actually works. Holy crap. Okay, so 220 isn't enough. But it's actually, I'm genuinely a little bit surprised that worked. So you have, oh no, it's not, because we have the 15 and you have plus 200 plus 20. So it's 270. So it's 320. Potentially. Maybe we could just add another offset of 10. In all fairness. So we want so it's 549 tall. So we want the height to be 320. So we've got 549 minus 50 is 499. 499 minus 320 is 179. So we'd also want the width to be 179. That should. Hey, look at that. Oh, that's good. And then, okay, so just to make sure it is doing what I want it to do. I'm going to have this and we're going to see if, oh, I haven't actually redone the thing yet, but it should scale differently. Okay, it did scale differently. We need it in a different place. So we need it, text one would be 50. And then the Y would be another 100, so 420. And then I think this should be 79. And then 79. Like using this method. Nice. So now it's different size. It's differently sized depending on how much room there is. And now I want to do, okay, so now that that's done, this is starting to become quite the craziness. So yeah, you have this set that does, and then you have stuff that does the text, and then you have the fonts, and then you have the welcome cards, as back, so you have. Then you open the profile, then you open the output. So you want to do, I guess down here we'll make some more text. And I want to do some stuff with the text layer. So draw.text. Then we want the member, so we'll just have it like 0, 0 for now. And we'll have a text wrap dot shorten width equals, I really don't know, but we want member.guild.name, the width maybe 35, and then placeholder equals ... Let's have a look at this real quick. Oh my word. Goodness. I just want to make sure that this is done fine. Yeah. So we'll see if that's fine, I suppose. And then the font can be the same font, and the fill can also be 255, 255, 255. Whoops, it is. And then we want it to be X plus 50, and then Y. And then I just realized the size we might want different. Of course. You kind of just change the size of the font. It was like 50 or something, I don't know. And then we want the same Y, and then we'll just check if that works. No. Interesting. Oh, because it's not vertically aligned. So it needs to be. So the font size is just whatever the height is. But I did actually appear to change the size though. Actually, no, I didn't appear to change the size at all. Oops. I think it's just going to create a new font. Yep, it's a new font. Fantastic. Well, I might as well just use the bloody Rave Party one then. Do I have... That's a good point. Do I have Rave Party installed on this computer? We have the one, but it's good enough. So wherever it says font, okay, so we want I guess Fira size, and then Rave size, and I guess we'll say that's 50. Oh, actually, because that's going to be. I can leave it as font size. So, oh, actually, that doesn't need to be it. Okay, cool. Thanks. Do appreciate that. So these need to be Fira. And then our Rave font needs to be image font.font, and we might as well just copy and paste this. Oh, that's gone weird. And then we have our fonts. I think it's just Rave wide. Oh, it's Rave. Right, I'm just gonna get. I'm just gonna keep the ones that we actually use. Don't use the others. There's no point in having them. So yeah, ravewide.ttf, and then height. I was considering having the different fonts anyway. Wow, it's taking its sweet time. Oh, the bot never readied up. That was weird. Why did you not ready up? Oh, there we go. Okay, there we go. Not too bad. So you have the height minus like 10 or something. And then the X, and then the Y, this is where the tricky part comes in. Actually, the X was off as well, wasn't it? Oh, because it needs to be X plus W plus 50. It needs to be offset correctly. Okay, that needs to be just like quite a small font. Wide, yeah, it's big wide. It's kind of alright, I might make it a little bit smaller still. Okay, now it's just offset. So yeah, we need to come up with an offset. So we can set the height is 30. I'll look at it after the stream. So you have Y minus something or other. It would be Y plus. So we need the actual height of the. Oh, we need to do damn B-box stuff again. So we need to do. How do we get the size of it? Okay, so do minus, and then this is just text. Why does Vardin have to be bad? What's that? I don't know what that is. So you have a rave.size text 1. So that's the height of it. So we need that divided by 2 for the central part, for like the middle of it. And we to do the what? So the same Y as. No, we don't. We need to. What am I doing? It'd be my. God. This is the problem we were having last time. I managed to bring this problem back on myself. Int object is not callable. Where in the name of all that's holy do you get that? Oh right, I see. Oh, it's get size, isn't it? Because it's the other way around. So you have your Y and then I think it's the damn offset. It's annoying. So once we've done this, it's done. This is like the very last bit to do, and then it's just completely finished, more or less. So, okay. So if we just have it at Y, if I just cut that out for a second. If we just have it at Y, then the top of the text is going to the same height as the actual icon. The top of the text is going here, but of course, so we need that beatbox back. Oh, do I hate pillow. Text bbox, just that. And then we have the text, and then the font equals rave, and that will give us the text width. So the height is bbox, the third one. So that will give us the actual height of the thing. So now we need to compare the difference between the height of the image and the height of the thing, and then we subtract the height. Okay, so we subtract the height of the text from the height of the image, and then we divide all of that by 2. I think. And that should give us the offset that we require. No, it doesn't. Oh, because it's still minus. It needs to be plus. Oh, there we go. That's okay, so that's almost right. What happens if we get rid of the divided by 2-bit? I presume it would be worse, but you can never tell. Yeah, it's worse. So that actually, that actually does put it in the right place. I think it is correct. I think maybe there's just something. I need to zoom in on it really. There is just because the what is there? Is there something tall in the center? I don't think so. So the center is there. If you draw a cross that goes to here, so there's definitely more coming up underneath it. Then there should be. So we get the height of the text, and then we subtract it from the height of the. So that gives us the difference. And then we put. So we say y straight up. Okay, I think I've thought of it, but I need to put this somewhere and then comment it out just so I don't lose it. Okay, so it'd be x plus w plus 50 for the offset, and then y minus the. Okay, we're gonna have to do b box here. Y minus b box, so the actual size of the thing, and then the size of the text we also need. So size equals font.get size of our text. So we take the size, so we get the difference in the size compared to the bounding box. We subtract that from the y, and then we add the height of the bounding box divided by 2. And that should put that in the center, if I'm thinking correctly. I might not be. It also doesn't work because it's Rave. Because this is for the tutorial series, and you know people want it to change. So tuple and int can't be subtracted from each other. Oh yeah. Okay, so what's that? Okay, so what I've done there is I've put the Y directly in the center of the image, which is fine. We can work with this. So we just need to. What's the final step? We're so close. So Y. So minus. So let's put the top of the text directly in the thing. So we need to do speedbox 3 height divided by 2. I'm not sure we need to do this, but I think we might be okay without it. P exclamation mark W, and then we are not okay with that. That's just done the same thing as before. Why is this so unbelievably difficult? No, yeah. It's that. Okay, that doesn't actually put it where I thought it would put it. So I thought it would put this. I thought it would put the C here. They've just moved it up slightly, which is kind of weird. Unless what I need to do... Oh, no, unless what I need to put it back, but I need to move it up more. So I need to move it up... I need to move it up by the offset, and that hasn't changed anything. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. Maybe I'm going about this the wrong way. Because the height... Okay, so we have the height. So the Y position of the middle of the thing would be Y plus H divided by 2. Okay, I'm gonna move another line to the to the graveyard. So you have X plus W plus 50, and you have Y plus H divided by 2. That will put, so that gets the center of the profile picture. Then is that something we need to do? And then so we need to get, unless it's just this, but it's the H divided by 2. Yeah, what if it's just this, but it's the H divided by 2 actually? I'll be fine without a VC this time. I don't feel like getting all that set up. I'll just keep plodding along. So it's not taking the offset properly. Okay. We need to see what it's actually doing here. It's the size of the 1 and then the B box 3. So this is the height. I'm almost positive. So that's not going to change anything, but we need... Oh, it's the same! But it's 52. Which... So what's H minus 30? Further, this is probably where we're going wrong. Because we've been going on the incorrect offsets. 49. So there's an extra 3 pixels. So it's actually adding pixels now. Oh, fantastic. So B, we don't, in theory we don't actually need the B box then. We just use the size 1 minus the, oh hello. Thank you Fate Assassin for the follow. Glad you can make it. Welcome to the stream, by the way. I hope you're doing okay. So we do size 1 minus H minus 30. No, we don't. We want to do... So H minus 30 would be 49. Then we want to do size of 1 minus 49. And then plus... I don't know if we want to do this. There's some confliction there. This stupid font doesn't line up properly. I'm getting angry now. This is really, really irritating. Yeah, but I don't think that's the solution because the font just doesn't line up properly at all. Like, this stupid way that Pillow does this. Because you set the size as 49 and then the size is 52. And then you put it at the Y and then it just doesn't... Like, even if you take the offset away and you put it like exactly in the bounds, it's still like way down. Textures isn't handled the same. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go back to how it was when it kind of worked, really. Just with this, because I've lost all interest in trying to make this perfect now. I just used Monokai for VSC. It wasn't that. So it'd be plus... Oh, what was it when it was working fine? I guess it was probably this. Either that or the font was just bigger. The font might have just been a bigger size. Again, I'm pretty sure the font was a bigger size. Just one more go on this and then I'll just use font sizes to work it out because I've just literally lost all interest in doing this. Okay, that didn't work either. Unless maybe... we just do it twice? I guess in that case we're just doing plus size 1. This is like divided by 4 maybe, I don't know. I keep saying that I... No, go away. What's wrong? Yeah, I'm over this. I'm just going to put it back to Y and we're going to set it back to, I think H minus 20 worked well. Yeah, that looks fine. That's completely fine. Or if you wanted it smaller, we could just do a manual offset. That's what we could probably just do a manual offset. So why? No, we'll just do that. I can't be asked to work it out dynamically. We'll just give it an offset, and we'll just say in the tutorial, just figure out a number based on your font. So we need to add maybe like 15. That's too much, so add 10. I'm getting used to doing that now. You can totally be doing something too long where you've literally memorised that. Okay, so minus 8 or plus 8. We're getting there. Okay. That's literally just muscle memory now. I don't even know what buttons I press. Perfect. That'll effing do. Okay. So now that we have that, we need to make sure that it works on the other one as well. So that works for that one. We may need to do some extra stuff. Well, oh, hello. I don't know what I did there. For if we want it to be this size, we're probably just going to have to move it differently. Okay, so I'm just going to set the font to be 50. I really did make this unnecessarily difficult on myself. Yeah, so the offset needs to be like way bigger. So the offset equals 8. So y plus o, or plus o, sorry. And then the offset just needs to be different for this one. So the offset needs to be like quite substantial. We're like 58. Oh, that's not what we wanted at all. What a guess! That was amazing. Okay, so that's our welcome card done. I've decided that's our welcome card done. We've done all the logic. Now, do we want to clean this up a bit? Because this is a lot. This is like an awful, awful lot. Member, oops. Member.name. 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 Okay, so we work out how we want to truncate the text. Then we create a tuple of text lines to draw. Create the font. Then we create the image. Then we create a new layer for the text. We draw the text on. We set our offsets depending on where we are, and then we draw some more text based on the size. We don't actually need the size anymore then. So we can just put this directly in here. Oh goodness. Yeah, so we create a new font. We draw the guild name. I have no idea if this is actually going to work. How long is Carberra tutorials? Because we wouldn't really want it any longer than that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So maybe like 20 at most. And then someone else can work out how to make that go on multiple lines. Unless we just do the same sort of like textwrap.fill. I guess we should really do that. You know what? No, I genuinely cannot be asked at this point. Someone else can work out how to do that, or I'll just do it off camera later. Image to open by so you have the profile size. Then we create the mask, then we put the alpha on the mask, then we create the layer, then we paste the thing on the layer. We'll keep that all separate actually. Then we alpha composite everything together, then we send it to the thing. Okay. That's a lot of lines, but screw it. I'm done here. Actually, we don't need this member because... Get rid of this, and then we can just put that there. Look at that. What a car crash. But yeah, that I think I'm gonna call the stream here because I'm pretty tired. And yeah, we did quite a lot. We got a whole 3 videos planned, so that's actually not too bad. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to my channel and we're gonna see who is live. So Zest, Zest isn't live at the moment. Yeah, game dev is pretty difficult. So we got Lana, we got Lumen. Oh, Kit Poger's live. God, he's got 12. Jesus. Mind you, why am I surprised? Okay, let's have a look at this live coders list again. See if I've got to go here and then live coders. There's only 4 of them. Okay. Finished design for the catch all. Oh, is it seriously going to do this again? Is Twitch... Okay, Twitch is just done for, I think. It's because it just doesn't work. Hacking the early access thing. Your game dev skateboarding game. Do you want to go raid this person? I've got 78 viewers already. Try to raid yourself. I'm pretty sure you can't do that. That wouldn't be a point anyway. This person's got 8,000 followers. Wow. Okay, we'll raid this person and hope that they're actually some good, because I really don't know. Because I can't load the stream up. I guess maybe while I'm streaming I can't load other people's streams. I don't know, maybe there's some sort of protection on it. Feels a bit dumb, but whatever. So it'd be Alright, so before I go, I just want to say this is the last stream for a little while. The next stream will be 15th of May, I think. I think that's correct. Maybe the 12th. I honestly don't remember. I think the 15th of May is the next one. Let me have a look. So, not streaming then, not streaming then, not streaming then, not streaming then. Yeah, it'll be the 15th of May. Is next stream, and we were doing either Django stuff. No, we're coming back to Django stuff, I think. So it'll be Django, most probably. But yeah, for now we'll raid this Jessica person, and thanks to everyone for stopping by. Thanks for the people that followed, and I will see you either in the next video or in the next stream. So, see you laters.